Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the unit is powered and safe. Turn the breaker off, then back on if unsure to reset. Once done, position your EV within reach and unlock the tether using the app or RFID tag. Make sure the charger shows standby lights. These indicate communication is ready. You're starting the session now. Press the button or open the socket, align the plug, and insert steadily until it clicks. Doing this ensures the handshake begins between vehicle and pod point. Once the plug clicks in, you authorize the session. Use the app, RFID card, or any credit method provisioned. This triggers the charger to negotiate current. You'll see the charger LED change and your car's dashboard confirm charging. That's the electrical handshake. Make sure to check the app for planned schedules or power limits because pod point can cap amps for safety or billing reasons. If you need faster charging, adjust vehicle settings or the charger limit. Once set, the session will stabilize. To finish, stop charging from the app or the car, then unlock the cable and remove it cleanly. Stow the connector to avoid damage. You'll want to review the session summary in-app to confirm kWh delivered and cost if applicable. If something goes wrong, LED fault, no charge, or error tones, first reset the breaker and retry. If the problem persists, note the LED color and codes and contact pod point support. That troubleshooting step speeds repair and gets you back on the road.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.